So in this difficult problem, we're given 95 measurements in this histogram, and we're asked to compare quantity B. I'm going to start with quantity B, which is the median, a little bit easier to do, of these 95 data points. So if I consider the middle number, I take that out, I'm left with 94. I'm going to split them, 47, 47. So I'm really looking for the 48th data point. And if I notice the first 15 fall between 1 and 5, the 48th data point could be anywhere from 6 to 10, depending on the distribution. So quantity B could be any one of these numbers. Now, quantity A is the average of all these numbers, and I need to find whether that can be less than 10 or greater than 10. So I'm going to look at the extremes. So for A, first I'm going to compute the highest possible average, and I'm going to assume that, for example, all 15 of these data points have a value of 5. So that's one extreme. And then to find the least, I'm going to assume all 15 are on the left end of this this graph, meaning all 15 are 1 here, and then all 35 are 6. So let's start with the max. So that would be 15 times 5 plus 35 times 10 plus 15 times 15 plus 12 times 20 plus 10 times 25 plus 5 times 30 plus 3 times 35. So 15 times 5 is 75, 350, 225, and then 240, 250. Fortunately, these numbers are nice. 150, 105. And you can always use the calculator as well. So that's 15, 1, 8, 13, 15, 19, 24, 29, 2, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13. So it's about 1395 divided by 95. That's clearly greater than 10. And then I have to think about the other extreme, which is what is the least it could be. So I'm actually going to just write it in this form and then do the multiplication. So it's 15 times 1 for this, and 35 times 6, and 15 times 11. So these numbers are a little ugly. 12 times 16, 10 times 21, 26 times 5, and 31 times 3. So I'm going to a little underestimate this at first and then see if I need to refine. So that's 15. That number is 210, 165. That's about 190, 210, 130, and 90. And I just have to add these. So that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 9, 18, 19, 22, 31. So 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10. So I'm getting it around 1010. I have to divide this by 95. That's, again, even if this was 100, that would exceed that. And that's definitely greater than 10. So the correct answer is that quantity A is always greater.